What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back for video 5 of the CB350 Build series. Today, we're going to be tackling the gas tank and carbs as well as going over our parts. So in the box of ordered parts that arrived to near completion of this build, we have bars, cables, brake shoes, tubes, petcock, gas cap, grips, a chain, and finally some tires. With our new handlebars installed onto the bike, it's time to put our Renthal grips onto the bars. A little trick, if you use hairspray, it works as a lubricant while simultaneously working as an adhesive.
Adam, the fuck are you doing?
Adam! Time to tear into the carbs that came on our spare motor. We find some good news and some bad news. Luckily, we have a surplus of carbs for this bike. Of the bad news, we find a torn diaphragm which we are able to salvage off of a junk carb, as well as a jet with a missing O-ring. For the carb with a broken needle, we were able to salvage that as well.
Small screwdriver?
Butterflies in backwards.
That's smaller.
Yeah. All the way out on the sync knob right there, and we still have a gap right there for the idle circuit. This one is shut as it should be, but this one won't shut anymore because he put it in backwards. And you can see because the serial number's on the top there and it's on the bottom there, which is correct.
Wait, where'd the new needle go?
I don't know. Adam, what are you doing?
What the fuck, dude? What?
Adam! With the carbs straightened out, it's time to work on the tank in all its brass-colored glory. I'm just going to hard cut to having the cap installed. This was a bitch.
Yep, that's fun.
Using apple cider vinegar and BBs to clean the tank is a very effective method for light rust. Pour in a portion of both and shake away. Repeat this process as needed based on the severity of your tank. Be sure to clear all BBs and use water to rinse everything out before immediately filling with gasoline.
Should we give it love?
Good love. With the carbs back on the bike, we decided to give it a shot.
Can never have it have too much love. Much love. Wow, it's definitely sparking over here. Hell yeah. That's two.
Hey!
Nice.
Let's feed it some actual gasoline and see what she can really do. While the bike is running on both cylinders, the right cylinder is particularly weak. Let's do some more investigating. While fiddling around with the points, Adam finds out that the timing is off by a few degrees. Making this quick adjustment is easy work. Let's see if this is what's accountable for our poor running. Yeah, still not a great runner. Let's check the sources of ignition. Using a multimeter in the old screwdriver method, we test the right-hand coil to see what we can get. No spark, nothing. We actually rigged up one of the 40-year-old coils that were originally on the bike to work just fine, albeit a weak spark. For some reason, my dumbass forgot to hit record, so I don't have any of that. Sorry about that. Well, that's it for this video. Leave a comment and let us know what you guys think. Be sure to subscribe to stay in the loop on this build and all other content coming up. Check us out on Instagram as well.
Bobby, fuck you, Adam. What are you doing? Honda.
Can you fuck